Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Analytics 4 full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Google Analytics, analytics.google.com. Press the enter key on your keyboard. You will see the Google Analytics login page. If you already have a Google account, click on the Sign In button. Select Google Analytics from the drop-down menu. Enter your email address associated with your Google account. Click the Next button. On the next screen, enter your password. Press the Next button again. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that process. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Google Analytics homepage. If you are a new user, you might need to set up a property first. To do this, click on the admin gear icon in the bottom left corner. In the Property column, select Create Property. Fill out the necessary information about your website or app. Click Next to proceed through the setup steps. Follow the prompts and click Create when you are done. Once your property is set up, you will have access to your Google Analytics dashboard. Now you can explore your audience insights and data. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or try resetting your password. That's how you log into Google Analytics 4. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.